Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're tackling a frustrating Spotify issue that many users encounter, the search function not working properly. Whether you're getting error messages, seeing no results, or the search feature is completely unresponsive, I've got you covered with these practical solutions. Let's start with the quickest and most effective fixes. Search issues often stem from connectivity problems, app glitches, or cache-related issues. First, let's try the simplest solution: restart the Spotify app. Completely close the app from your recent apps menu, wait a few seconds, then reopen it and try your search again. This often resolves temporary glitches affecting the search function. If that doesn't work, let's check your internet connection. Spotify's search feature requires a stable connection to query their servers. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists on both networks. If you're on Wi-Fi, try restarting your router and reconnecting. Now, let's clear Spotify's cache. Go to your phone's settings, apps, Spotify and storage. Tap Clear Cache first and test if search works. If not, go back and tap Clear Data. This will reset the app without deleting your downloaded music. If you're using the desktop app, let's try logging out and back in. Sometimes authentication issues can affect search functionality. Log out of Spotify completely, restart the application, then log back in with your credentials. For persistent search issues, check if Spotify's servers are down. Visit status.spotify.com or check social media to see if other users are reporting similar problems. Sometimes the issue is on Spotify's end and you'll need to wait for them to fix it. If search still isn't working, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Spotify app. Before uninstalling, make sure you know your login credentials. After reinstalling, log back in and test the search function. As a last resort, check your account status. Ensure your subscription is active and there are no payment issues that might be limiting your access to Spotify's full features. I know how frustrating it is when Spotify's search isn't working, especially when you're trying to find specific music or podcasts. One of these solutions should restore your search functionality. For most users, clearing cache or checking their connection does the trick. If this guide helped you fix Spotify's search feature, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more music app troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.